All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another week. Um, Starting off with our pre-civilization unit, going to be a smaller one. Again, starting all the way back with kind of, I would get caveman times. So we're going back to like the Neolithic age and kind of the Paleolithic age. Today's assignment's pretty simple, just a simple reading guide. What you're going to do here, I'll just kind of bring up the assignment for you. You basically just read through chapter 1 or section 1 of chapter 1 and then answer the questions on the last page. So if we click on the reading guide, just a few short pages again on the human origins. Some of the stuff we're looking for is who's Lucy, so you'll see that here. Who's Lucy is a really important part that we're looking for, and also we're kind of thinking about trying to make connections between early humans, the humans in this reading, and ourselves today. So look for similarities as you read. There should be a bunch of them. If you get confused on the top, they do kind of give you a timeline of what type of early humans they're talking about. So if you ever get confused, just look at the top page. You can kind of see where you're at in the timeline. Once you get down here, just do this on a Google Doc. So do part 1, the terms and names. That'll be pretty easy. Just basically have the key term and then just a sentence or the definition of it. Don't worry about number 2. Don't do the note part. For the main ideas, do number 3, 4, and 5. So do all those questions, and you can just label them question 3, question 4, question 5. I'll get it. For the critical thinking and writing, do numbers 6, 7, and 8. Do not do number 9. If you have any questions, email me. But again, it should be pretty easy, not difficult. Monday, just trying to gain some information so that we can use this information tomorrow. Have a good one.